guys, it's penguinawhite here. Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be doing great looks for your Arctic wolf and other stuff like that. So let's get started. The first one is this one, obviously. So the next one is going to be a cool one. Let's use this and this, and change this. So I think this is really cool. So the next one is going to be just like a chill one. And one. So this is this one. So I'm going to leave this one on for the rest of the video. So now we're going to be playing some games at the Soul Arcade. So let's go there. So the first one we're going to play is, let's start by playing Falling Phantoms. Okay. So let's get started. I haven't played this in a while, so I bet I'm going to be quite bad. So, here we go. Okay. I'm third right now. Oh, good. Let's have another try. Okay. Oh, gosh, sorry. I also make Moshi Monster videos, so go check them out. So let's have one more try, and then we'll try another game. Okay. Oh man, what? Okay. Oh my goodness. They're coming really crazy. Oh. Oh dear, let's try another game. Let's play Best Dressed. Okay. Practice dressing while your best while you wait for the next round. Okay. Okay, let's just look pretty in pink. Let's go with pink. Rare pink necklace. Okay, I think Beta, I'm not sure. Okay. There's something pink there. Oh, okay, it's starting. Cool faces. Okay, best for the bead. So let's be yellow. I think I'm ready. Okay. There's me. Let's vote for just my face. This one. Okay. Let's see who wins. Okay. Sorry, this is really glitchy. Okay, guys, I've got to refresh. I'll be back when I've... Okay, I'm sorry, guys, it doesn't seem to be working, so I guess I'll have to do a part 2 of this. See you then, hope you enjoyed, and goodbye!